First at 6, federal agents are questioning paramedics, people you rely on in an emergency, after drugs went missing from ambulances in the Hill Country.
The Llano County judge says he's been told the paramedics have been on leave since late last week. We first told you about this story last night at 6 o'clock. KXAN investigator Lindsey Bramson returned to Llano today and has the latest on these new details.
Everyone is being extremely tight-lipped about this. We've tried talking to employees here at the hospital, as well as the paramedics brought in from Temple. Here's what we know. A spokesman for the DEA confirms they are investigating drugs being taken from the back of an ambulance here in Llano. I'm told the paramedics working at the time the drugs went missing are being questioned and currently are not working. We've learned the paramedics on duty right now are additional Scott and White employees brought in from Temple while federal agents continue their investigation. Yesterday, Llano County Judge Wayne Brascom assured me residents still have the resources they need in case of an emergency. I spoke with some who say they're shocked to hear those who are supposed to be protecting them could be accused of something like this.
As a citizen of Llano County, if I call 911, I hope that a paramedic would respond, and certainly I would not want those paramedics to be altered in any way.
And a spokeswoman for Scott and White says she expects the Llano, Baylor, Scott and White paramedics to be back on the job by the end of this week. Reporting in Llano, Lindsey Bramson, KXAN News.
We reached out to Scott and White again today, and here's what they tell us. The spokeswoman says, in part, despite a recent incident unrelated to patient care or vehicle safety, Baylor, Scott and White continues to provide emergency medical services in Llano County, which are fully operational and available.
We went to find out about the rules when it comes to storing drugs, and we thought you should know. Austin Travis County EMS has very specific rules when it comes to storage. Those rules come from the DEA. At every shift change, paramedics have to account for all drugs on their ambulances and write down how much they have. If the amount on the ambulance does not match what's written, the division chief gets involved. If they can't figure out the problem, then employees involved have to undergo a mandatory drug screening.